I know the word revolutionary gets thrown around all the time, but we need a revolution in how family law cases are handled, particularly in the state of Florida. Nazarena and I have been doing this for 10 years, and I can tell you that the traditional models of practicing family law just are not working for people for a variety of reasons. And that's why Nazarena and I are turning the way that we practice family law on its head with the concept of do-it-yourself legal. With do-it-yourself legal, we're educating you, empowering you to understand how family law works in Florida and to be more involved in your representation if you're going to have it, and to be able to be better informed and manage your own case if you are doing this without an attorney. So please go over to our new and improved website, familymatterslawgroup.com, and click on Do It Yourself Legal and find out more.